hell was that?
Fuck me, this is... Guys, this is getting creepy down here, man. We're hearing all these noises and shit. We don't know where they're coming from. And yet, there's nothing here. Hi guys, now tonight we're exploring a massive tunnel. We've just got down that banking from up there, and that's the entrance to the tunnel. So let's go. I've got to track through a load of mud by here, guys. Oh Jesus, under there. Oh Jesus, is it dry over this side? Oh, there we go. Oh my God. And easy entrance, was it, guys? Straight through. Oh, look at that. Who's that? Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my God. It looks like we're going to have to be climbing on this pipe, I think. Oh, guys, this is crazy. No. Oh, that's something just dripped on my head, like. Yeah, so we've tried to come up here recently, guys, but it's been, if you look at the mud, it's literally been flooded, so we've had to wait for a spot of dry weather so we can actually get in here. So I'm glad we've come down tonight. This goes quite far, mate. Actually, what are we treading on there for? We can just go on here. Oh, it's a shame these are not locked up. No fun. What, down there? So the limestone there, or the lime coming off. Hello?
Anyone there?
I don't know if you heard that, guys. There's a bang further on up. There's a light further on up as well. You see the light up there? Let's just turn these lights down a minute. Let's just turn these lights down a minute. See if you can see the light up there. There is a light up there. There's a light up there. Unless it's a drain cover. Yeah.
That's a lot of noise, guys.
What the
What is it?
What's that? Let's go and have a look, guys. I don't know if you heard that noise then. Fucking hell.
Listen, we can't hear anybody living because we've shouted hello.
It's proper freaky, man. It is.
There's no graffiti down here at all. Oh, it's getting loud now. It sounds like someone running down the road.
Can you hear that, guys? It does, doesn't it? Oh, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, so guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like there's somebody down there running through the water. But you know what we're like, we're going to have a look anyway. That light's gone, I think. So, guys, them bangs and noises. It sounds like a bloody waterfall or something up the top here. Huh? Yeah.
And then the rocks back.
The scale of this tunnel, guys.
What do you say this was? A rail tunnel?
A railway tunnel of some kind. You know, back in the olden days, back in the days. It must have been one of them, the train tunnel that fed them bunkers.
Oh, those sides people been down with it.
Oh my God. Can you hear that? This is mental. It's what? Oh God. Where's it coming from? So that water's dripping down there, guys, look at that.
I've noticed, when we first came down,
There's a light. Yeah.
when we got to here, I felt calmer. I felt like calmness come over a bit. Look. Something really recently. Look how big this is.
Yeah. It's coming out of holes in the wall. How mad is that? Yeah, so guys, we've been walking in this tunnel now for about an hour. And we're still going. We want to get to the end. See where it takes us. I just hope my car don't get locked in the car park. We can't get home, so anyway, onwards and upwards.
How come we didn't pay back when we were there last water?
I know. This is crazy shit, man. Look at that rust over there. It's just a pile of rust, that is. It does, doesn't it?
That's not a picture.
Like that.
Not in the water, it's rich.
Doesn't it?
Not really. You look how the crystals there.
Yeah.
How big is it? Yeah, it's crazy.
No, I didn't hear that coming down. We heard that coming up here. You know what it is? It's somebody waiting for us, isn't it? Somebody waiting for us to get down the tunnel so they can block it off. At the other end. Guys. Hear the noises coming from down there, guys. Now, they're the same noises we heard coming up here, but when we got to where that waterfall is, there's no bangs or nothing. What's that? The metal, is it? Oh my God, look at it. It's like lava.
What's that?
It's like lava, isn't it? Yeah, you can walk down there. Just turn my camera down a bit, guys. I know. What?
I think we've rich. Is that crude oil?
It's got to be oil of some kind, isn't it?
Hasn't been there for long.
No. Guys, that is weird. Some alien shit going on down here. The what? That's crazy. It's mad, that is. I know they are. So gravel now, but yeah. Oh God, I've just been soaked. It's just gone down my back. Someone's been here smoking, look. Yeah. That might have been the people that were running. That we heard.
I don't think we've seen any graffiti due to the fact that the state of the walls.
Well, yeah, but you ain't going to be able to write on that, are you? Yeah. I don't even know how far these go, you know. But guys, this is huge, huge tunnel. Huh? Let's get a bit marshy over there. Get back. Clean water. And where that door goes. It used to be a door, anyway. Gosh, this is huge, man. Yeah. Sorry about the light, guys. It is pitch black in here. Yeah. There's a roof. Oh shit. Nearly tripped there. There is no light at the end of this tunnel, guys. Yeah. No. Mate, everyone falls. Probably not as much as me, but there we go. Ain't it mad how it's all muddy by here, but not down there? Oh, that's mad. I think so. I hope so. Oh, imagine that. We found gold.
Gold?
Black gold. Oil.
Who?
Guys, imagine if that was fucking oil. I'd be drilling into the walls, mate. I'm telling you. Oh, look at that. Crystallised shit.
Hello, my name is.
My name is. Anyone know who that is?
I don't know, guys. People
Comment below.
put these stickers on with them explorers.
Oh, wicked. An old sleeper. Off the truck.
Nice sleeper, guys.
Oh, that's cool.
There you go. That is sleeping.
It is sleeping. It's been sleeping for years. What's going on up here? Guys, I really am sorry about the lighting. I've got two powerful lights and it's still not doing a lot. Usually, you bring a head torch, but broken at the moment. So I've got to make do with these. This is quite far in as well. I just hope these lights don't go on us, because we'll be walking back through these tunnels with no lights. Yeah. We're fucked. Oh yeah. Oh, don't, mate. Don't say things like that. A bloody clown in the drain. That's freaking me out, like. So you got him here trying to freak me out by saying, you know, if we come across a clown in here, we're so far in, God knows what's going to happen.
That's what you call him.
The clown.
Dirty camera.
Oh mate, what would you do if something happened in here?
Well, first of all, I'd push you in the right direction, I'd run you away.
No, you can't.
They get really heavy.
Looks like there's been a car down here. Oh, look all that.
Yeah, it's a tractor, isn't it?
Oh, God. Does look like teeth there. Oh, it's starting to get a bit muddier down here on this side. Probably. It's crazy, guys, man. Yeah, look at this, guys. You can stand on that. Look at this, guys. This is a contraption that they used to use to hold the joint together, the two pipes.
Well, maybe it was coming apart and they put that on as a brace.
Yeah. It's mad, I mean, look at the size of it. Jesus. Did you hear that then? It was like a ping. Oh, was that? Oh, mate, we'd be fucked. We'd be well and truly bollocked. Did you hear that, guys? It was like a ooh. Let us know in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below if you hear anything or see anything. Obviously, we can't see. Can't see shit. Oh, I saw these poles here. Got these poles by here, look. Oh, look. Oh, mate. Look at this, guys. I'm going to try and stand underneath it. Oh, man. Ah, look at that. A big hole, man. Oh, let me get down. Let me get down. Look at that, guys. You can just see the top of it, look. How mad is that? Look at that. That's crazy. I wonder where that goes. Hello?
I haven't seen a shadow at the top of that.
Yo! We're stuck. We need a rope. Oh, imagine the fire brigade coming out, guys. Jesus Christ. What? I know what that is. It's probably when it pisses down with rain, it all comes through there because it looks like a drain on the top, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I know, that is massive. Look at that. Oh, mate. Pipes coming out of the wall. Look how clean that water is. That's crazy, man.
yeah, but that's
It's all filtered.
Yeah.
Filtered and filtered and filtered. Look at it. Could actually drink that.
It's still got pots in the plate. I know it's filtered, it's still not fit. I wouldn't drink it.
Oh, no, but, you know, boil it and drink. Oh, it's mad. Yeah, so guys, we're at the end. We're at the end of the tunnel. But what is beyond the tunnel? Try and have a look. Someone's been drinking Red Stripe. So there you have it, guys. After 2 hours nearly walking to the end of this tunnel, we've just got back. Haven't got time for another explore now. So see you on the next one. See ya. Someone's lost their shoe. There we go, guys. And now we've got to climb back up that big steep bloody hill there in the dark and through a cornfield and then through another fence. This is going to be fun in the dark with our lights on minimum. Anyway, guys, catch you on the next one. Ta-da. Do you know what? Oh, Dave. I can smell weed. You get up first. Mate, I can smell weed. Really strong.